I can handle that. I think she liked that one more. This one.
Why you buy worms?
No. Lift the top of it.
Oh, he ate it!
Ay, baka mas pre mo yung mga worm.
Hindi,
Mamatay
nakita
lahat
ko,
yan.
nakita ko. Matapon niya, Diyos ko.
Mahal pa yung shipping yan. Kasi sa
Ba't mo
worm,
na si Chippy?
ang worm kasi less than 1 peso eh. Pero yung shipping ko, 150, 1.
Isa anak sila to.
Gutom na kasi.
Oh, she's just like... Grade 2 ba si Elijah?
Grade two
Baka
ba?
kailangan na ng...
If you like ano
Olivia mo.
What does the snake eat? Eggs.
Yeah, they eat
Where did you find the rat?
Yeah.